You need to watch this if you struggle with low energy and mood swings. Trust me, vitamin D could be the game changer you need. Hi, I'm Dr. Sunita Arora, and today let's talk about why every woman needs vitamin D. This little vitamin is a powerhouse for your health. It helps your body absorb calciums and keeps your bones strong and even boosts your immune system. It may also play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart diseases, certain cancers, and diabetes. But wait, there's more. Vitamin D also supports your mood and might help ward off depression. Ever felt down during the winter months? That could be due to a lack of sunlight, which is a natural source of vitamin D. For pregnant women, adequate vitamin D levels are essential for both maternal health and the baby's development, particularly for bone growth and immune function. So, where do you get it? Sunlight is the best source, but you can also find vitamin D in foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified milk. And of course, there are supplements if you're not getting enough from your diet. Now, let's talk about signs of deficiency. Feeling constantly tired, having bone pain, muscle pain, mood swings, depression, even frequent infections, and poor wound healing could mean you are low on vitamin D. Over time, low vitamin D can lead to more serious conditions like osteoporosis, increased risk of fractures, and in extreme cases, rickets in children. If any of these sounds familiar, it might be time for a checkup. To wrap things up, vitamin D is essential for women's health, from strong bones to well-functioning immune system and even mental well-being. Make sure you are getting enough vitamin D to feel your best. Stay healthy and happy, ladies. See you next time.